Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've just arrived in Ao Nang after 2.5 hours from Khao Lak, and we're now staying at the Ao Nang Villa Resorts for a few days. So we've got a double superior room, it gives a free upgrade, so we're 4301, and this is the room. So as you walk through the door, you get 2 key cards for your electric. This is the bathroom. As you can see, shower, towels, soaps, obviously your complimentary stuff that you usually get. The toilet, and then straight opposite the bathroom toilets, you got the wardrobe with slippers, umbrellas, dressing gowns, a beach bag, course hangers, safe, and a laundry bag. So when you want your laundry done. So you can see it's a big safe, shelving unit, into shelves, glasses. You do have a mini bar in here, as you can see, stocked up. It's not a free bar, you got to pay for your drinks, but you do get complimentary water. So the bedroom does have an adjoining room by the looks of it. No, it's not. Yes, it is an adjoining room. And a big bed. Television. Chinese New Year, the year of the horse, 16th of February 2026. So they're having a buffet meal here. 1200 baht. And there's all the food that they're having at the buffet. As you can see, carving, live cooking, Chinese hot dish, sweets, appetizers, canapes. So you got your Wi-Fi stuff here, free Wi-Fi, hair dryer, free bottle of water, kettle, coffee, lamp in the corner. Let me know what you think of the room. Now let's walk outside and have a look at the view. So on the terrace here at the balcony, 2 chairs, a little table, and a big pool. Okay, let me know what you think. Brilliant. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys. See you soon. Bye.